Hi everybody, this is foXnoMad, and today I want to help you travel smarter by letting you know about the best city to visit travel tournament, which could win you $300. So basically what the best city to visit travel tournament is it's an annual contest on my site where I take the first 64 cities that you nominate, first come, first serve, and put them in a tournament style bracket, and every week on my site readers vote and the winning cities advance until there are 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, and then finally one championship to determine the best city to visit. And the person that picked that final best city that wins will win a $300 prize either to the Amazon store or to the Apple online store. And as kind of a bonus for me, I end up going to the city that wins. Last year it was Granada, Spain. If you want to check that out, I'll put a link up there. But this year, it's again all up to you. So all you have to do, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. All you have to do is go to that link links to my website. Go to the comments, tell me your favorite city, make sure you have the city and the country name. And it's also gonna ask you for an email when you enter your comment. Make sure that email address is valid because that's the email address I'm gonna use to verify you in the contest. That's the email address that the prize will be sent out to. So this is a 1 month long contest. It goes on through most of March and into April, and the prize winners will be determined in early April, and then those prizes will get sent out if you win. Also in that link are some recommendations on how you can win the best city to visit contest. By now, I've taken what all the previous winners have done over the past 10 years or so through hundreds of thousands of votes and kind of whittled down what I think are the best winning strategies that those people have used to win the contest. So you're probably gonna wanna check that out too if you want an edge. Remember, nominations go from now until Sunday, and then the voting will begin next Tuesday. Again, all the details are gonna be in that description below, so be sure to check that out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment of this video, and while you're down there, hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll have new videos for you every week. Thanks very much for watching, and good luck in the contest, and I will see you in the next video. Oh yeah, and I forgot one more thing. If you made it this far in the video, be sure to check out that link below. There's gonna be an extra $10 Amazon gift card for one of you for entering the contest. Good luck in that as well, and I will see you in the next video.